This marine stereo receiver delivers strong 4-channel power with adjustable sound shaping, giving small and mid-sized boat speakers plenty of volume and clarity out on the water. Built-in Bluetooth makes it easy to stream music wirelessly from modern phones and tablets, so you can enjoy playlists and internet radio without juggling cables at the helm. The integrated microphone and call control buttons let you take hands-free calls while underway, with caller information shown clearly on the front display. A front-loading compact disc player, universal serial bus input, auxiliary jack, and AM and FM tuner provide flexible listening options for both older discs and modern digital files. The clear liquid crystal display, illuminated controls, and included remote control make it straightforward to see and operate the unit even in bright daylight or from across the cockpit. Its single-DIN chassis, detachable faceplate, and multiple rear audio outputs make installation simple and allow easy expansion to external amplifiers and additional speakers.